Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error. This video file cannot be played. Error code 102630. This error typically occurs in web browsers when a video fails to load, often due to issues with the browser cache, unsupported formats, or server-side problems. Thankfully, it's usually easy to fix with a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Open the search menu, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Step 2. Flush DNS and reset network settings. In Command Prompt, type the following command and press Enter. You should see a message, "Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache." Type the following command and press Enter. You should see "Successfully reset the WinSock catalog." Close Command Prompt and restart your computer to apply the changes. That's it. Hopefully, the video playback issue with error code 102630 is now resolved. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one.